Hi everyone, welcome to the Little School of Skincare. I'm Charlotte, your instructor for today. We decided to start off with a 10-step skincare routine because we realized we don't have a video that speaks strictly about this topic. Even though we're the ones to introduce a 10-step skincare routine to the US for the very first time over 5 years ago. So we decided to do a video on what the 10-step skincare routine is, how to fit it into your lifestyle, and some common misconceptions. I know for some of you this is going to be a quick refresher, and for others this is going to be a whole new world. Either way, I hope you enjoy. Only good skin days ahead. So what is the Korean 10-step skincare routine? The Korean 10-step skincare routine is a series of steps and categories that you can use in your skincare routine for healthy, glowing skin. Soko Glam introduced it over 5 years ago, and I even wrote a book about it, and since then it's gone viral because people saw results. For you skeptics out there, really? 10 steps? That's a question I get all the time, and I want to bust that myth right now. No, you don't have to use 10 steps every morning and every night to see results. It's all about figuring out what skin type and what skin concerns and goals you may have, and what are the categories that you can incorporate into your routine to achieve that result. This morning, I used 5 steps. This weekend, I used 7 steps, and I've definitely used 10 steps, but the important thing is not really the number of steps that you use, but really educating yourself on the different ingredients and products that are out there that can help you achieve your result. This is what's so fun about skincare. It's super customizable and specific to your skin goals and skin concerns. And I love exploring and educating myself about my skin. Plus, it's super nice to unwind after a very long day by getting into your skincare routine, and it's also a great way to start your day. And don't be daunted by the fact this is a multi-step skincare routine. Honestly, a skincare routine takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and really just think of it as having a skin first philosophy because you want to have good skin in order for your makeup to look better. And I bet if you time your makeup routine, it actually will take longer than your skincare routine. Let's talk about cleansing. So I wanted to break down the 10-step skincare routine so that it's digestible and easy to understand. So let's talk about cleansing. Cleansing is definitely one of the most important parts of your skincare routine. And I want to start off by talking about the double cleanse. Many of you may have heard about the double cleanse, and that's because it's so powerful and it really works. So the first part of your cleanse is going to be an oil-based cleanser. This is going to remove oil-based impurities like sunscreen, pollution, and makeup. You apply this straight onto your skin without any water, massage it, and it'll break everything down, then you rinse it all off. Then, with the damp face, you continue on with the double cleanse by adding the water-based cleanser. A water-based cleanser really helps wick away any remaining impurities like sweat and dirt. Believe it or not, you have a ton of impurities on your skin, so you need to cleanse twice to make sure you start off with a clean slate. After the double cleanse, you need to exfoliate, and sometimes you exfoliate once a week, twice a week, or every day depending on your skin type. So this is a chemical exfoliant, and this is going to help go deep into your pores and unclog everything, making sure you avoid acne and breakouts, and also it's going to make your skin more even toned and clear and bright. It's time to prep. Prepping your skin after you cleanse is really important because you want to make sure that your skin is hydrated and ready to take on all of your treatment steps and your protection steps. So I recommend using a toner that's going to really hydrate your skin and balance your pH levels. And actually, after you cleanse, your skin is in a very delicate state. So you do want to use the right toner that's not going to strip your skin of its natural moisture and oils, but it's going to actually help supplement it with the hydration you need. Now let's talk about nourishing the skin. Now this is the fun part. This is the part where you're gonna pick and choose the products that are best gonna address your common skin concerns, such as wrinkles, fine lines, even loss of elasticity. These are gonna pack a punch, and they're usually made up with very concentrated ingredients. So let's talk about the essence. This essence is gonna help really bring hydration and brightening power to your skin. This is a sheet mask that's great for sensitive skin types. It has ceramides that will coat and protect your skin barrier. This is a serum that's going to add a boost of hydration and bounce to your skin, and an eye cream to help soothe and hydrate that area underneath your skin that's very fragile and prone to wrinkles. Now let's end on protecting the skin. So now you're nearing the end of your skincare routine. You've cleansed, prepped, nourished, and now you're ready to protect the skin. I recommend using a moisturizer that's gonna help lock in all those skin benefit ingredients into your skin. And remember, if it's the daytime and you're gonna go outside, make sure to use sunscreen. Sunscreen is gonna protect you from UVA and UVB rays that really cause a lot of premature aging, whether it's wrinkles, brown spots, or just general loss of elasticity. So now that we've talked about all the steps in the Korean 10-step skincare routine, now let's talk about building a simple and easy routine just for you. So first off, let's talk about the importance of cleansing. I still believe that you should be double cleansing because you need to make sure all impurities are removed from your skin gently, and it will allow you to have a clean slate and prep for the rest of your skincare routine. So next up, I would go straight into toning. Toning is gonna reset your pH balance, and it's also gonna hydrate your skin. Remember, toners are usually watery because it's important to start off your skincare routine with the thinnest consistency, so very watery, and then as you progress in your skincare routine, you're gonna have thicker and thicker consistencies. So next up, it's really up to you. Depending on if you have fine lines or pigmentation, you can choose a sheet mask to address that, or an essence. So this is really something you need to decide for yourself, and then dive deep in the ingredients that are gonna best treat that concern. So lastly, it's all about protecting your skin. For me, sunscreen is very important, so I'm gonna make sure I use a moisturizing SPF lotion during the daytime, and that's gonna help ensure that I protect my skin from UVA and UVB rays. So right there, I just picked out 5 different steps that you can use to get started on your very own skincare routine. And I promise it'll only take about 5 minutes. If you're looking for products based on skin type or skin concern, go on SokoGlam.com. We have a great filtering system that allows you to filter by those 2 categories. And also we have specially curated kits that are created by skin type. Any questions? Lastly, I want to end with a very common question that I get all the time. It's, what do I do morning versus night? Well, to be honest, my morning routine is very similar to my evening routine. The only difference is that I switch out the moisturizer. And that's because the consistency for my moisturizer is very thick at night because I want to make sure I cocoon my skin. And in the morning time, I'm wearing makeup, so I want something that's very light in consistency. And also, I always remember to use SPF in the morning because it is very crucial that you protect your skin from UV rays throughout the day. So that's it for the Little School Skincare. I hope you guys learned a ton. Let us know if you have any topics that you'd like us to address in the next episode. And remember, it's not about achieving flawless skin. There is no such thing as flawless skin. Trust me, I have a pimple as I'm speaking to you right now. And really, it's about educating yourself. Education is power, and you're gonna love diving deep and exploring the different ingredients that are gonna treat your skin and make it the healthiest it can be. All right, guys, thank you guys for listening. Until next time, bye. Now let's end on protecting the skin. 5 different products that I can, ugh.